chicken rosemary veggie stew with bowtie pasta and ice cold butterfly pea tea. 4 chicken thigh, 2 russet potato, 3 rosemary, 1 sweet onion, 2 clove of garlic, 3 green onion, 2 carrots, and 1 celery stick. Make sure your chicken is clean and dry. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Make sure you give it a nice massage. We're going to let it sit and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Carrot cut in half, 1 inch long. Celery cut in half. Russet potato cut in big chunks. Green onion sliced in half and cut in thirds. Sweet onion sliced medium. Garlic minced. Rosemary. All of the veggies had all been washed before cutting, so make sure it's nice and clean. Medium heat with 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to place all 4 chicken thigh into the pan. We're going to cook each side for 4 minutes. We're going to make sure that it's nice and golden brown. We do not want the heat to be too hot. Make sure that you flip it every so often because we're going to actually use the juice for a sauce for the pasta. Look at it. Isn't it nice? Ooh, I can smell it. It smells so good. Look at it. Nice and golden brown. We're going to take it off the heat and we're going to save it for later to make the sauce for our pasta. Now is the fun part. We get to put them all together. You could use a crock pot. I'm using a hot pot on medium setting. With 1 tablespoon of butter, I'm going to add half of the minced garlic, half of the sliced sweet onion, half of the potato. It smells so nice. The garlic is getting to me. And half of the carrot. Now you're going to give it a nice stir, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and add all 4 chicken thigh. You're going to lay it right on top of the veggie. Ooh, look how pretty. It smells so good. Okay, add the rest of the potato, the rest of the carrot, all of the green onion, the rest of the sliced onion, and then the celery sticks. Now, the garlic. Yes, some more garlic. Wait, and more garlic. I love me some garlic. It smells so good. Okay, now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mushroom seasoning. Add 1 cup of milk to the warm skillet. Make sure you mix it very well. You want to get all that yumminess and deliciousness from the browning from the chicken thigh that we did earlier. We're going to add it all into the pot. We're giving this pot so much loving. Look at this. And then add 1 cup of water. For more healthy home-cooked recipe, hit the like and bell button. Add 3 rosemary on low-medium heat. Add the lid back on. And we're going to let it do its magic and simmer. Boom! All done, and you don't even have to stir, just leave it alone. Now it's time for the bowtie pasta. Just follow the direction that's on the box. It's time to eat, but first remove the celery. Let's set our plate. Here's mine. I'm gonna have it with some butterfly pea tea from my garden. Make sure to comment below and let me know what you think. Bon appetit, enjoy, see you next time.